RASTA VIBES, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Zion fire blazing strong. It burn the wicked, cleanse the soul. Zion fire make we whole. No Babylon can stop the flame. Zion fire call your name. Zion fire blaze so bright, shining pure, the holy light. Every spark eternal flame. Zion fire exalt your name. Zion fire all people seek, forever burning, never cease. Zion fire bring Jah peace. It warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire every day, forever glowing, pure and white. Zion fire hold it tight. Me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion fire never done. Zion fire forever reign, forever burning, strong and true. Zion fire carry you. It blaze the night, it blaze the dawn. Zion fire still carry on. It rise eternal, pure and strong. Zion fire just song. No Babylon can dim the flame. Zion fire praise his name. Judgment Day, Zion fire, Yahweh, eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion fire, just song. Blaze high, blaze free. Zion fire, eternity. No chain, no wall can quench the flame. Zion fire, call your name. Zion fire, blaze so bright, shining pure, the whole. From dusk to dawn, Zion fire still carry on. Na Zion, yeah man. chain, no wall can bind the word. Zion song always heard. Zion song, pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse, eternal flame. Zion song, exalt your name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion song still carry on. Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Sound the drum from Zion Hill, heartbeat of the Father's will. It called the nations, call them near. Zion drum beat we all hear. From ancient days till present time, Zion drum beat sound divine. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion drum beat all around. Zion drum beat strong and free, echo through eternity. Every thump a holy song. Zion drum beat keep it strong. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion drum beat by Jah hand. Forever steady, pure and wide. Zion drum beat holy tide. It heal the weary, lift the meek. Zion drum beat all hearts seek. From mountain high to valley low, Zion drum beat always flow. Me feel it in the morning sun. Zion drum beat never done. It shake the chain, it break the wall. Zion drum beat for all. Forever thundering, pure and true. Zion drum beat carry you. Eternal rhythm, steady flame. Zion drum beat praise his name. It rise eternal, strong and tall. Zion drum beat bless we all. Forever sounding, never gone. Zion drum beat keep it strong. It call the children, call the youth. Zion drum beat Jah truth. Eternal rhythm, mighty sound. Zion drum beat all around. When the trumpet sound again, Zion drum beat still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion drum beat bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion drum beat show Jah way. Eternal thumping, pure and free. Zion drum beat destiny. Beat high, beat low. Zion drum beat make it flow. No chain, no war can stop the tone. Zion drum beat set the throne. Eternity, every thump a holy song. Jah is the medicine, yeah, man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruits, Zion garden Jah root. No Babylon can spoil the ground, Zion garden all around. Zion garden, lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame, Zion garden praise His name. Zion garden praise His name. Zion garden, it feed the children, feed the poor. Zion garden always more, forever holy, never gone. Zion garden shining strong, it heal the weary, lift the low. Zion garden make it grow, forever fertile, pure and wide. Zion garden holy tide, me plant me seed in morning sun. Zion garden never done, it bless the harvest, bless the rain. Zion garden heal the pain, forever holy, pure and true. Zion garden carry you, it grow the truth, it grow the song. Zion garden just strong. It bloom eternal, never fade. Zion garden Jah made, no Babylon can dry the land. Zion garden by Jah hand, forever fertile, lush and free. Zion garden destiny, it grow the earth, it grow the love. Zion garden gift from above. When the trumpets sound again, Zion garden still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion garden bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion garden show Jah way, eternal harvest, pure and strong. Zion garden Jah song, grow high, grow free. Zion garden eternity, no drought, no war can spoil the soil. Zion garden bless the toil. Zion garden lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame, Zion garden praise His name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion garden still carry on. 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 Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Build on stone of ancient days, temple stand in holy ways. Every pillar strong with prayer, every wall just spirit bear. No hand of man but hand of God. Temple rise where prophet trod, from earth below to heaven high. Temple morning start to rise, temple glow beneath the skies. It stand forever, never fall. House of Jah command it all. From first chant to final day, temple show the righteous way. Home of spirit, home of flame, temple blessing Jah true name. Stand firm, stand tall, temple of Jah above it all. No hand of hate can break the stone. Temple of Zion, keep Jah throne. Temple of Zion, pure and strong, keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace, bless the world and make war cease. From dawn to dusk, from now to then, temple guide the soul again. Aye, aye, aye. Zion is the reggae king, yeah, man. Open wide the holy door, gates of Zion evermore. Call the faithful, call the meek, bless the strong and lift the weak. No God of hate, no wall of pain, only love can here remain. Every nation, every creed, find in Zion what they need. Gates of Zion open wide, let the people come inside. Flow with mercy, flow with grace, welcome to Jah holy place. It shine with pearl, it shine with flame. Every gate a holy name. It call the children home to stay, guide the tribe along the way. No sword, no chain can bar the road. Gates of Zion ease the load. Every step a chant of peace, every turn a sweet release. It's open wide both night and day, never close, no man can say. It guard the path, it guard the song, keep the people moving strong. It echo sound of drum and lyre, burning bright with holy fire. Every gate a blessing you, open arms for me and you. Me walk through gate and lift me head, hear the words the prophet said. It call me heart to live upright, guide me steps in Jah true light. No fear inside, no tears remain, only love we heal the pain. Every stone a prayer so true, gates of Zion shine for you. When the morning star arise, gates of Zion paint the skies. It open wide for all mankind, bless the soul and heal the mind. Forever open, never close, from the root the blessing grows. Every nation, every song, gates of Zion bring we home. Come one, come all, gates of Zion never fall.
bless the people, yeah man. Me wake with sun on me face, chalice ready in sacred place. Rootsman heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke fi run away. Me smoke fi clear me inner way. Earth provide this plant of peace, a sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truths, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide, the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a Rootsman higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, this sacred herb come from Jaan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open chakra. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with Rootsman ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again, again.
Nah, nah, nah. Smoke ganja and drink coconut, yeah man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot pants and no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup love just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man stay firm and whole. Me look to the sky, me give thanks for life. Through all the struggle and all the strife, me no stress but the news them bring. Me build strength while the bird them sing. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like art inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Children laugh in a yard, pure joy. No war, no hate, no ply. Me teach them truth through reggae style. With love and rhythm, we reconcile. Me play me guitar with humble hands. Chant a melody, fi heal the lands. Me nah judge, skin or creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them say chant for justice, chant for love. Chant the truth from up above. Me nah follow trend or hype. Me follow Rasta, me trod it right. At the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drums beat like art inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Habitation deeper than ocean. Vibration real, no illusion. From coconut tree to sacred drum. Rasta youth know where we from. No Babylon distraction can break we soul. Zion echoes forever holy.
Na 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 na. Dreadlock swing in your man. What that? Nightfall come, me sit alone. Stars above, me far from phone. One drop beat, me thoughts them slow. Inhale deep and let it go. Chalice in a hand, me close me eyes. Me mind drift to the endless skies. No nights, no war, no city fight. Just Jah light and peaceful night. Fire flicker in a moonlight breeze. Me soul exhale, me spirit ease. Ganja scent wrap round me dome. Me body here but me mind gone roam. One drop dreaming float away into the airy Milky Way. Meditation hold me tight. Ganja light me soul tonight. No Babylon, no stress in sight. Me only need these stars and flight. Me rhythm pure, me heart so free. Me float pan rhythm like ocean sea. Steam rise from the roots of earth. Ganja bless, me feel rebirth. Me hear the rhythm in me vein. Each heartbeat drum like jungle rain. Me no need no riches or gold chain. Just me plant me drum and nature playing. Every puff a step more near to the inner world me hold so dear. Birds still sing in a distant tree. Even them feel Jah energy. Me thoughts them dance in harmony to ancient sound and melody. One drop dreaming, blaze the fire. Rasta chant, me soul rise higher. Me no sleep, me levitate. Me float pan rhythm and meditate. Me leave behind all worldly game. Me hold to love, me call Jah name. The ganja plant, it lead me way. One drop drum, a guide me stay. Silence loud like thunder roll. When me listen deep inside me soul. No distraction, no illusion. Just me heart in sweet fusion. Me sight a vision, glowing bright of Zion hills and morning light. Me chant of psalms, me feel the breeze. Me soul now sailing across the seas. Every leaf a sacred sign. Every breath a link divine. No clock, no pressure, only flow. Me drift where only Rasta know. Me walk alone, but me never alone. Jah there with I, me skin to bone. Me spirit dance, me footstep bless. No more fear, no more stress. Me roll another, me eyes half closed. Like mystic priest in sacred robes. The rhythm guide me thoughts align. Me swim through space and cosmic time. Me no run from Babylon, no. Me just float, me eye like cloud. Me voice a prayer, me words a key. Unlock the soul, set me free. One drop dreaming, stars me bed. Reggae rhythm in me head. Me now wake till morning rise. Me drifting deep through moonlit skies. Urban heartbeat blending one. Me soul a spark beneath your sun. Me no escape, me elevate. Me live, me love, me meditate. Na na na, chamba with coconut, yeah man. Early morning, me still rest on hills. Me light up the fire, me soul it fills. The chalice pass round like sacred rite. Me eyes closed tight, me spirit take flight. Me no smoke for hype, me smoke for ear. Jah whisper truth right in a me ear. Each draw a prayer, each puff a chant. Me reason deep in ganja plant. Me sit pon rock under mango tree. Me hear the ancestors talk to me. Me breathe in love, exhale me pain. Me mind now float like healing rain. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the smoke rise up so gentle. Meditation deep like drum. Rasta heart, here I come. Sacred flame and sacred herb. Me chant me psalms, me soul disturb. No stress, no war, no fight. Just higher reasoning in the night. Me roll me spliff with reverence. It teach me patience, teach me sense. No rush, no haste, no greed. Just balance roots and what me need. Me see me life in clearer way. Me give thanks more every day. Me see me brethren as myself. Me value vibes more than wealth. The herb reveal me inner sight. Me dreams become me guiding light. And in a silence me overstand. Jah never leave, Jah hold me hand. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the rhythm slow and mental. Drum and bass them chant along. Each note a healing, holy song. Sacred herb, me heart align. It bridge this space between flesh and divine. No Babylon inside this space. Only love and Jaja grace. The night come down like velvet shawl. Me sit in circle, me brethren call. We reason deep till morning light. We burn the herb, we seek insight. The stars align, my mind expand. Me walk through Zion in a sand. No church roof can hold this vibe. The sky above, me real tribe. Me chant me name, me chant me fate. Me no worry, me no wait. In ganja smoke, me vision born. Me rise again each blessed morn. Me no need palace or gold ring. Me find me truth in simple thing. A little fire, ganja leaf, a reasoning full of soul relief. Me on a herb for what it do. It bring me close to what is true. No pills, no doctors feel me mind. Just natural smoke and Jah design. Me share me weed, me share me light. Me share me joy in the night. And when me leave this earthly shell, me spirit rise, me soul rebel. Me soul rebel. Ganja Temple, sacred ground. Me soul it rise with every sound. Me chant, me blaze, me elevate. Me link with Jah, me resonate. So build a fire, pass it round. Let peace and unity be found. This ritual, me daily bread. Me burn the herb, me soul be fed.
Up early, sun a kiss me face. Praise to Jah, me start with grace. No nice, just breeze pon the hill. Me cup full, me soul stay still. The fire blaze, me brew me tea. Read from the scrolls, fi set me free. Me plant me foot pon sacred ground. Heartbeat echo like Naya Bingi sound. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Me no follow vanity road. Me build me life by natural code. Me till the soil and plant the seed. Not just herb but spiritual need. Me chant the name of Jah Most High. Him there in the breeze and deep blue sky. Each day a lesson me learn and grow. Rootsman way the only way me know. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Drummer beat, me foot them move. Me in a Zion, healing groove. Me nah run race for the system game. Me chant for truth, not just fame. Me burn illusion, me burn the lie. Me lift me eyes to the open sky. Rootsman rise in a morning light. We burn the darkness, chant the right.
All divide, me pass it on. From generation until Babylon gone. Me chant and blaze till me days complete. Rootsman rise in a Zion beat. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Rootsman rise in a morning dew. Heart stay clean and purpose new. Na reggae and ganja, yeah, man. Whoa. Blaze so high, it burns so clean. Fire of Zion ever seen. No smoke of hate, no ash of war. Only love forevermore. It purified the heart of man. Burn away the wicked plan. Every spark a holy sign. Fire of Zion always shine. Fire of Zion, pure and bright. Burn the dark and bring the light. From the altar to the land. Fire blaze by Jah command. It light the way through darkest night. It guide the people to the right. It keep the drum, it keep the song. Burn the weak and lift the strong. No water out, no wind control. Fire of Zion heal the soul. Every flame a message true. Burning love for me and you. Whoa. It burning temple, burning street. It move the heart with holy beat. It call the prophet, call the king. Fire give the word to sing. It blaze upon the mountain top. Burn till Babylon kingdom drop. No fear remain, no shadow stay. Fire light the righteous way. Me sit beside the holy flame. Hear the whisper of Jah name. It warm me hands, it warm me soul. Fire make me spirit whole. It burn the lies, it burn the chain. Fire free the heart from pain. Every blaze a prayer said. Every ember spirit fade. Yeah. No. When the morning sun arise, fire blaze across the skies. It never die, it never fade. Fire by Jah always made. From birth of man till end of days. Fire keep the holy ways. Light eternal flame divine. Fire of Zion ever shine. Blaze high,
from heart to sky. Fire of Zion never die. Soil soft under me feet. Me walk where love and nature meet. Me plant me dreams, me plant me care. Herb and hope in a the same ear. Me no deal with concrete scheme. Me live in a the natural dream. Each leaf a part of Jah reply. Zion grow and spirit high. Zion grow. Like tree roots deep and free from heart to earth, the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Me teach the youth fi till the land, fi feel Jah works inna them hand. They see them plant, them future build. With every crop, a life fulfill. Me garden green, me mind at rest. Me know say Jah provide the best. Me see creation live and move. In every leaf, the truth improve. Zion grow in a way, like tree roots deep and free from heart to earth. Is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting near. Chanting a field, me reason pure. Love and healing, a Jah cure. No wickedness in our yard, only truth and works of God. Zion afar, it starts in a soul and growing away like starry stole. Me see the hills wear crown of green, like the promise Jah always mean. Me feel the rhythm in every breeze. Zion speak through birds and trees. Me share me harvest, me share me word. No gate, no wall, just love preferred. Zion grow when we overstand that Jah reside in every land. Zion grow in a way, like tree roots deep and free from heart to earth. The link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Yes, Zion grow in a way. For all who chant and plant faithfully. Ay, ay, ay. Zion, Jamaica, Reggae man. Them build up tower, but it can't last. System based on shadow past. Me sight the lies behind this smile. Them feed the youth a toxic style. But we awake, we see the plot. Them selling poison, call it lot. Me bond the chain, me lift me head. Jah light make me spirit fed. burn Babylon slow. One shooter stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me see the hungry, the poor, the cry, while some fly jet in the sky. But equal rights, a flame still strong. It burn for right, it burn for wrong. Me chant with drum, me voice a sword. Me lyric sharper than them word. Me burn corruption, me burn them lies. Babylon can't hide from Jah eyes. Burn Babylon slow. One shooter stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me burn them law, we sell out man. Me burn the chain and Babylon plan. Me rise with herb and heart of steel. Me chant the word that make them kneel. No violence, me burn them fake. Jah fire move like river wake. Me stand tall on ancient stone. Babylon fall when truth is known. Me teach me youth fi think and grow, fi plant new seed and make it show. Me no preach hate, me chant fi cleanse. Me build up bridge, no need fi fence. Babylon crumble slow but sure. Each lie exposed, them can't endure. Me hold the faith, me hold me ground, till Zion trumpet shake the town. Burn Babylon slow. One shooter stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Yes, burn it slow, but burn it real. Zion come and wounds will heal.
No smoker. Split with Zion reggae. Up in the hills where the moonlight fall, me sit with me thoughts here nature call. No light but the stars them blink above. Me roll one tight with Jah love. Me wrap me dread like lion crown. Me spirit levitate, me soul not drown. Me chant up psalm, me heart beat slow. In the silence the real truth show. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flow infinite. Me walk through grass tall like me faith. Each blade sing a song about life and faith. Them Babylon light, them flicker and fade, but the stars shine truth, undiluted and afraid. Me chant for the youth, them lost in stress. For them who hustle but get no rest. Me send out frequency high and clean, like a trumpet blow in a holy dream. No riches in a pocket but me heart full. Me mind sharp, me senses full. Me sight Babylon, tricks and lies. Them build prison with sugar coated ties, but me not yet. Me elevate
sacred right. Treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Me sit by river where cold wind blow and watch how the rhythm of the water flow. It teach me patience, teach me grace. Me see me reflection and find me place. Me nah run down fast, food love. Me build connection from roots above. Me woman beside me, natural queen. No fake, just real love, pure and clean. One spliff, one drum, one breath. Every night a rebirth, no death. Me see spirit in the owl's flight. Me reason deep in the heart of night. Rasta not sleep when wisdom call. Me write down visions on lumpen wall. Starlight over Zion, me guide in a dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred right. Treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Starlight guide me home. Zion road me roam alone. Me spirit light like a morning breeze. Roots strong like 1,000 trees. Starlight over Zion. Starlight over Zion.
Smoke a spliff in the morning, yeah man.
Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf, step on the scene. Me give thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal. Just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jah time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors pon the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal. Just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me sit on stone beside me drum. Me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one spliff fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate. Me chant for love. Me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me rhythm in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal. Just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Oh, morning light pan Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
No Milan, no stress, ganja health my soul, yeah man. Raindrops fall on the zinc rooftop. We roll me spliff and not stop. Me girl asleep on me chest so warm. Thunder roar but me all are calm. The fire inside still blaze so bright. Even though the sky lose light. Ganja scent and loving eyes. We float away under stormy skies. No makeup, no show, no light. Just her and I. Real vibes high. The drops of rain I wash me clean. We love more deep than any dream. Roots in the rain, love still grow. Even when the wind a blow. Rasta heart and Empress soul. Together strong, together whole. Drip drop fall, we still feel peace. She hold me tight and then release. Jah plant the seed, the love it stay. Roots in the rain, no fade away. We cook ital food on fire coal. Coconut stew, warm me soul. Me Empress laugh when me sing off key. But still she says she love me melody. We talk about Zion, talk about dreams. About little youths and river streams. Me roll the herb while she chant a psalm. Rain still fall but the vibes stay calm. Even in thunder Jah love remain. Even in hardship we never complain. A simple life but rich in sound. With each heartbeat me love rebound. Roots in the rain, keep them go. From mountain top to valley low. Me hold her hand, she hold me heart. One love flow, we never part. Rain on roof, but light within. The herb and she a cure me sin. No diamond ring, but me soul she claim. Together we standing in Zion name. She plant basil, me plant thyme. The garden grow in just time. Each drop of rain, a blessing come. Each thunderclap, a holy drum. She dance barefoot on muddy ground. Laugh like breeze and spin around. Me sit and watch